The realest White House music. Official BB boy. Roar. I got that Thurazine. You see me looking at you. You understand I'm a fiend. I ain't on your calendar. I ain't December. I ain't the month to remember. Slumbers, the fucking grenade. Granted, this is why my life is fucking up in it. Can't stand it. Who's saying slam? Who that is with the slang? I am the fucking man. Run around the Yosemite, Sam around corners. Look at the burner, look at the fucking soldiers. Who's frontin'? Who's trying to be the military? Now who's Green Beret? Now who's the Tooth Fairy? You see the slave to the game, ain't nothing fucking changed. And this is why my military is in fucking rage. It's USA made, we on the fucking map. And if we ain't got guns, we fucking rap. We ain't lacking no potential about the habitual man. Why you mention the Michelins? You heard the fat man. Guns in hand, the fucking grand, the millionaire, he doesn't care. You feel the plan, you destroy, and everything is like that battleship. Boy, you got that banana clip, I make your body flip, rip with the rapture. I fucking laugh at you, and now you're looking at me, do the math with you. I cross-eyed focus with your heads, you never fucking stead, you never fucking kid, you never prepared. You don't know about warfare, you declare the things you never saw. And this is why you in the game, battleship and ball. You think you got the ball, scrub them up against the wall. You never seen a real soldier motherfucking fall. You think your daddy dead, you think your pappy dead, you think your mother dead. My whole family's fucking dead. They don't understand why I'm still here, spitting rap to your ear with no motherfucking fear. You think I have no breath, you think it's nothing less. And let me show you about the best. Situations on the chest, no contest about the Wild West. Now bring it on, my game is fucking strong with no vest. Your city ain't Vietnam, we talking about them bodies dead in Hong Kong. Now let the ring bell on. You hear my music, hear my fucking song. I got my bitch booty shaking in the fucking thong. You know about Miami Beach, the preach, the ones that teach, the ones that stick like leech. I'm cleaning up body situation bleach. You heard about it, look at me. You never seen the blue seas, the skies, the ones that get high, the ones that live their life. You do the math, I divide. You run, I hide. I got them killers in the swamp, don't core. You know about them raw seed, fall to the dough. You don't ignore the ones, the savages, the guns, ones that be letting them off, the ones that having fun. Slums are the killers, drums are the killers. Run from the killer. Now you see the real killer. Look at me. What you see is what you get. White skin thugged out, hitting licks and flipping bricks, shaking nothing but money. My money be making you never hesitating on nobody that be shaking like bacon. You hating. Now you looking at me, #1 squad to the mob. This is why I'll be demonstrating the money that I make. White House music.